Find features that distinguish it from other brands for QETRABONE Halloween Ghost Reading Book Lamp. And why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Halloween Decor, our ghost reading book lamp adds a whimsical touch to any indoor space, making it an eye-catching centerpiece that enhances your Halloween decor and brings smiles to your guests. Versatile decoration. This ghost decor is perfect for coffee tables, bookshelves, and mantels, seamlessly fitting into any room and effortlessly elevating your Halloween table decorations for a festive atmosphere. High-quality materials, crafted from durable resin, our ghost nightlight features a smooth finish and meticulous attention to detail. This high-quality design ensures it will be a cherished part of your seasonal decorations for years to come. Create a fun atmosphere. Perfectly designed to spread joy, this ghost decor adds a fun and light-hearted touch to any gathering, ensuring that your home is filled with a cheerful and spooky spirit this Halloween season. Idea gift. Delight friends and family with this adorable ghost ornament, ideal for Halloween parties or as a surprising gift. It symbolizes the joyful spirit of the holiday, making it a memorable present for decorative enthusiasts. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.